Hello? Hazrat Sayyid Madani and Mansa. Hazrat Sayyid Madani ತಂಡದ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. Hazrat Sayyid Madani ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ತಂಡದ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Hazrat Sayyid Madani ತಂಡದ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಕೊನೆಯ ಕರೆದು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಆಟಗಾರರ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕು. Hazrat Sayyid Madani ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ.
चारದಲ್ಲಿ हम घंटे दादा 5-10 घंटे 3 चीजें कुछ आ जाए
So the referees are all set for the play to begin. The second half coming up here in this very beautiful Nehru Maidan score. Sacred Heart 0, St. Joseph's Majbeh 0. Two top teams of this high school girls tournament in the finals. Crowd in large numbers have come to watch this football tournament here in Nehru Maidan. Here we go, the second half of the finals, high school girls football tournament. So straight away, Sacred Heart into the attack, and nicely cleared there by the defender of St. Joseph's. And they will gain a corner. So a real chance here for the Sacred Heart to go one up in this finals. A corner. Nice kick, but straight to the defender. Does well. Still Sacred Heart have the ball. And that's going to be another corner. Scores 0-0 here in this finals. Both teams yet to open their accounts. So the second chance here for Sacred Heart. Another corner. Off target this time, so it will be a goal kick for St. Joseph's.
A very poor kick there on that occasion. But nicely cleared by the defender. So St. Joseph's on the attack. A throw in for Sacred Heart. So far it's been an even competition here in this final. That's a very good kick. Chance here for St. Joseph's, but nicely headed out of danger by the defender.
Morning, sir.
Still has the ball. Nicely clear. Chance here for Sacred Heart. They're losing players there. There's no one supporting her on that occasion. That's a good clearance by the defender. Chance here, chance. Now a real chance. So Bajpayee attacking. From the right side. The goalkeeper does well. A bit of fumble, but in the end the goalkeeper doing well and collects it. And an excellent save in the end by the Sacred Heart goalkeeper. She did fumble there, but in the end managed to clear the ball. A free kick just outside the D for Bajpayee. This one, a free kick. A nice kick there. Chance here for St. Joseph's. A real chance. But the defenders of Sacred Heart doing well in defending. Yes, another chance here. So that's nicely cleared by the defender. A throw in for the Bajpayee. So both teams doing well here in the second half. Even contest this. And both teams playing well and showing the crowd why they are in the finals. That's a nice one. Mississippi. That's a nice one, but off target. That's a very good kick by the forward, but just over the bar. Both teams having their chances, but not able to convert any of them. Nice pass. It was a real chance, but pass in no man's land. So Sacred Heart forward couldn't make use of that. Throw in for Sacred Heart.
Next match in the higher primary of the boys. I request James get ready immediately. Okay, Syed Madani and Morning Star.
Nicely cleared by the defender. Very well done. So a throw in for Sacred Heart. So far, both teams playing well, but not able to score a single goal. Nil-nil, the score. And
13 in 3.
Nice little pass. Yes. So a real chance here for St. Joseph's. They're attacking, but on that occasion, couldn't control the ball. The forward from St. Joseph's. That's a nice pass. That's a real chance here for St. Joseph's. Not able to make full use of that very good pass. And here we have the substitutions. Substitute. 3 out and 13 goes in. Substitutions. 9 out. I beg your pardon. 9 out and 13 in. 9 out and 13 in. Substitutions. The first substitution of the match. 13 goes in and 9 comes out. Play resumes. We are in the closing moments of the second half. Both teams feeling the pressure of not scoring in this still time. Chance here for St. Joseph's. Nicely cleared by the defender of Sacred Heart. And does well again. So that will be a throw in favor of St. Joseph's Bachpai. Very good throw. And it's a foul. And it will be a free kick for Sacred Heart. Nicely cleared by the defender. And we are in the end of the second half. After the completion of the 2 halves, Sacred Heart 0, St. Joseph's Bachpai 0. And we will have the penalties. The very entertaining penalties to decide who will be the winners of the girls' high school football tournament here in this Independence Cup. Both teams had their chances, but they could not convert any of them. Good defense by both teams and some good goalkeeping as well. And so at the end of this second half, both teams 0-0. Mr. Kumar, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಹೊರತಗೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿನ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಗಮನಿಸುವುದು. So here we have the penalties. And off target she misses. And that could be a very, very costly miss. Sacred Heart misses the target. Way outside the bar. And here is a real chance for St. Joseph's Bachpai to lead 1-0 in these penalties. Here we are, St. Joseph's. And that's a lovely kick. What a kick that is. And that is the first goal of the match. St. Joseph's Bachpai leading 1-0 in the finals. That's another very good save by the goalkeeper. An excellent save. Sacred Heart, and especially on the goalkeeper. That's a second ball, ದಯಮಾಡಿ ರೆಫ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಫ್ರಿ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಹಿಂಬದಿ ಯಾರು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೋಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಹಿಂಬದಿ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಗೋಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಹಿಂದುಗಡೆ ಯಾರೂ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅವರು ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಿಸಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಗಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸುವುದು ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಹಿಂಬದಿ. St. Joseph's leading 2-0. Sacred Heart. A very, very poor kick there from the Sacred Heart player. And they have missed 3 in a row now. And now pressure on Sacred Heart. St. Joseph's Bachpe scored their win. Must save situation here for the Sacred Heart goalkeeper. 2-0 Bachpe. And that's a wonderful save. And that's a wonderful save from the goalkeeper. And St. Joseph's leading 2-0.
Angry bird, yeah, angry bird.
And if the Bachpe goalkeeper saves here, which he manages, that's win for Bachpe. St. Joseph's Bachpe have won the girls' high school football tournament here in this Nehru Maidan. So they win the Independence Cup. They are the champions of the Independence Cup football tournament here in Nehru Maidan. They win 2-0. And this is the second consecutive time they have won here. And they feel like a champion and they have won here. It was a hard-fought match, but St. Joseph Bachpe had the last laugh. Sacred Heart did play well. Congratulations to both the teams. Congratulations to St. Joseph Bachpe for winning it 2-0 in the deciders' penalties.
बैटरी खाली है सामान
Boys